Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at how to play that classic American sea shanty, Roll the Old Chariot, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. Before we do though, I just want to take a moment to tell you about Lesson Face, a cool way for you to learn, grow, and expand your knowledge online. Lesson Face connects students with amazing teachers for live online music, language, and arts lessons with a roster of inspiring experts, including members of the Met Orchestra, multiple Grammy winners, music school alumni from places like Juilliard, Berklee, Manhattan School of Music, and more. If you want to grow beyond my basic music lessons and expand your abilities to a greater potential, then I cannot recommend enough that you click on the link in the description below and check out all that Lesson Face has to offer today. Here is what Roll the Old Chariot looks like when it's written down in the key of A minor, and here is how it sounds. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Breathe in through 6, blow into 7, breathe in through 8, blow into 8, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 7, breathe in through 8, blow into 8 3 times, blow into 7, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 8 twice, breathe in through 8, and blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, breathe in through 7, blow into 7, breathe in through 8 3 times, breathe in through 7, and blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 5 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 7. Blow into 7, breathe into 8, blow into 8, breathe in through 8, blow into 7, breathe in through 7, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 8, breathe in through 6, blow into 7, blow into 8, breathe in through 8, blow into 8 4 times, blow into 7, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. phrase 9, blow into 8 twice. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 8 4 times. Breathe in through 7. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 10, blow into 7, blow into 8, breathe in through 8, blow into 8 4 times, blow into 7, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 11 is exactly the same as phrase 7. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. Also, if you'd like to show your support for this channel, then check out my links below and buy me a coffee. And until next time, stay tuned.